Let's learn Minna No Nihongo Lesson 4 Vocabulary. Okimasu, get up, wake up. Nemasu, sleep, go to bed. Hatarakimasu, work. Yasumimasu, take a rest, take a holiday. Benkyou shimasu, study. Owarimasu, finish. Depato, department store. Ginko, bank. Yubinkeku, post office. Toshokan, library. Bijichukan, art museum. Ima, now. Ji, o'clock. Han, half. Fun, minute. Nanji, what time? Nampun, what minute? Gozen, AM, morning. Gogo, PM, evening. Asa, morning. Hiru, daytime, noon. Ban, evening. Yoru, night. Yonaka, midnight. Kyo, today. Asita, tomorrow. Asate, day after tomorrow. Kino, yesterday. Ototoi, day before yesterday. Kesha, this morning. Konbanwa, this evening, tonight. Hiruyasumi, kyuke, lunchtime. Mayasa, every morning. Maiban, every evening. Mainichi, every day. Nichiyobi, Sunday. Getsuyobi, Monday. Kayobi, Tuesday. Suiyobi, Wednesday. Mokuyobi, Thursday. Kinyobi, Friday. Doyobi, Saturday. Nanyobi, what day? Bango, number. Namban, what number? Kara, from. Made, up to, until. To and used to connect nouns. Sochira, your place. Taihen desu ne, that's tough, isn't it? Well, let me see. Onegai shimasu, ask for a favor. Kasikomarimashita, certainly, sure, madam. Otoi awase bango. Domo, arigatou gozaimashita. New York. Pekin. Bangkok. Rosu Anza Resu. Thanks for watching.